lovely vacuum cleaner, for letting me lean on you. And thank you, lovely viewers, for giving me the inspiration to vacuum clean. I saw you vacuuming along with me. I did you. And now, because of previously mentioned stiffness in back, and I never told you about the stiffness and lack of muscle in my leggies, so that's why I'm extra thanking my vacuum cleaner for helping me to get up off my feet again, because as you can probably see, I'm crouching down and I'm breathless, and all I did was 4 minutes of vacuum cleaning. But I'm getting back to my previous good carnivore, ketovore, good health. Slang of all. Bye for now, everybody, and listen to my radio show if you'd like to hear an hour of pure, unadulterated world music. Mostly world music, but I can play anything I want because it's my show. Music to nourish and heal on Flirt FM Galway and all around the world on the internet via Flirt FM Galway's website, which is flirtfm.ie. Or you can listen to my shows on Mixcloud. Slang of all. I'm going to demonstrate now how I'm going to stand up with the help of this vacuum cleaner. Ooh, ow! They say third time lucky. Ow, 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 ow. I don't want to break this window pane here, so I have to be very careful. Third time lucky. Okay, let's see. 1 foot up. You can see my knee is up here. The other knee up at the back. Ah, yes, that's the way to do it. All right, I'm standing up again.